Good morning, Offgrid Arizona gardener here. It is about maybe 7 in the morning, almost 7 in the morning, and I'm out here just checking up on my garden. We just had a really good rain yesterday, so come with me and check out my garden. I have my soy cat here. She is the guardian of the garden. Beautiful morning here in the homestead on the high desert of Arizona. So I have some cucumbers going over here. They look really happy from the rain yesterday. I have some loofah right over there. Those grow pretty slow, so I'm expecting a fall harvest on those. I have some determinate tomatoes over here, and they're just getting out of control. Determinate tomatoes, you don't have to get them all thinned up. You want them as bushy as possible because they're only a one-time production tomato. So next year, I think I'm just gonna have like 6 tomatoes or 7 tomatoes instead of 12 here. Over here, I have a squash. I only have one, and I have a zucchini over here on that side. These over here are some Brussels sprouts that still hasn't produced for me. I'm going to keep them just going. Maybe on fall they'll give me something, but I'm not counting on it. I've started small determinate tomatoes here for succession planting. I have all different types of variety of peppers. These are jalapeno peppers and all different types of sweet peppers. Bell peppers. This is a banana pepper. These one are mini peppers. I also have a cayenne pepper over here. If you see, there's a whole bunch of little peppers, cayenne peppers. And over on the back here, I have some indeterminate tomatoes. There are 3 kinds of indeterminate tomatoes on this side, and these tomatoes you want to prune because they get taller and bigger, and you want to prune it so it gets controlled. And over here I have some watermelons and melons going. I have a whole bunch of fruits. They're not quite ready yet, but I'm gonna have a pretty good harvest on these. I think I have about 10 to 15 of fruits, watermelon and melons over here. This one is a volunteer green bean from last year that just keep growing. A seed was left on the ground. So I have more watermelons over here, another green beans. That's another green beans. I have right here another melon. These are cantaloupes. So on this side are cantaloupes, and on the other side are all watermelons. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy my little garden tour here. And don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you all for your support and have a blessed day. Bye for now. Here's my garden. guardian of the garden having a sip of water.